Hey ladies, I'm here with the final opportunity of the night, and it's actually the best deal in the entire catalog. It's the business opportunity. Have you ever thought about being a consultant with 31 Gifts? Have you been looking to make extra money? Or do you love everything in the catalog so much that you just want to get a discount on products for yourself, your friends, and your family? Well, check out the back page of the catalog. 31 Gifts offers a kit valued at $300 for just $99. Plus, it includes all the business supplies you need to get started. Are you in a crunch with your money? Has your checkbook been falling to pieces? Or maybe you're looking for a sugar daddy? Or you just want to make some mo money? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can have the payday you deserve. Yeah, you might be snickering at the idea. But wouldn't it be great to have a job that you would actually enjoy? Where you could have mounds of fun, plus make some money? Well, let me tell you, if you would be interested in learning more, send me a private message after you watch this video. I'll send you my no obligation packet in the mail that has information about being a consultant with 31 Gifts. It doesn't mean you're signing up. It just means you want more information. So what are you waiting for? Don't let this opportunity slip through your butterfingers. It could just be the lifesaver that you need. Whether you want to go on a shopping spree, save some money for Baby Ruth's college fund, or Tootsie roll your way off into the sunset, it is possible to make 100 grand. So what are you waiting for? The new consultant kit is only $99. It includes everything you need to get started. So if you decide that you're interested, you can actually get this adorable pink box with the consultant kit sent to your mailbox. It'll arrive in just a couple days, and you can get started with your very own business. Private message me today.